National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 1:30 p.m. At 12:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Brighton Park, or over Chicago lawn, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include West Lawn, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Oak Lawn, Marionette Park, Oakland, West Elston, Beverly, Bridgeport, Stickney, East Side, Riverdale, Chicago, Lower West Side, McKinley Park, Avalon Park, Grand Boulevard, South Lawndale, South Deering, Hyde Park, South Chicago, South Shore, Roseland, near West Side, and Calumet Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.